welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Michael Racing Toys. Today we're doing the unboxing here of alba fyre unboxing. Late season hunting 21. You don't have this channel to build up. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the channel on. Let's get a 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. In the season, you get Singing Punk, Gunkel, Carmelo Hayes, Austin Theory, alba fyre. Yeah, it's unboxing. Let's get her out here. No tape. Hey, who is? Hold on. I got her. A little bit stiff in some areas. Alright, look, let's look at the hands. We got two hands. One hand like that, and the other hand like that. Let's focus on. See like that, two hands. And I got a little belt here. Kind of cool. Little belt. Women's tag team champion. And they're putting the names on it. alba fyre championship. Put it on card and put names on there where you know where to go. Yep, it's alba fyre. Good knee publications. And the thing. Good wristband arbitration. Yep. Like the outfit her go on here. Like the outfit, I like they put that really detail right there. They put lots of work in this. Sculpture and lots of detail in it. Put it on core. Let's focus on the face. They put lots of good detail on the face too. And the color of the hair. I like the yellow and black. Yep, that's the unboxing video. What is Bud Championship Riffle? Go out like that. Yeah, that alba fyre. You like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification in case you won't miss out any videos like this. You'll help this channel build up. Hit that big like button, hit that subscribe button, help the channel out a lot. Help the channel out a lot. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. See y'all next time.